Hi, welcome to Minerals and Power Resources. Minerals are naturally occurring substances that have a definite chemical composition. Now, I know in the beginning of this course we talked about basic rocks and minerals, but these are specifically minerals that we're going to use in our everyday lives. We actually are in what right now is called the Iron Age. There are over 3,000 minerals, and they're the backbone of any industry. We have two basic types of minerals. There are metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. Now in this case, we're not really talking about luster. We're talking about whether there's a metal in the mineral. Of the metal minerals, you'll see that there's non-ferrous and ferrous. Ferrous, Fe, you may remember from the periodic table, is the symbol for iron. Ferrous minerals are iron-bearing. And then we have non-metallic minerals, which are not iron-bearing and not metal-bearing. So ferrous minerals contain iron, manganese, chromites. Non-ferrous minerals do not contain iron, but have some other metals. And non-metallic minerals do not have metals. So that would be minerals like limestone, mica, gypsum. So let's talk about ores. Metallic minerals which are mixed with impurities are called ores. The process of taking minerals from rocks under the Earth's surface is known as mining. We can quarry, we can drill, or we can dig an open cast mining shaft, or we can have a deep shaft. The impurities are removed through a process called smelting. Here's copper that has been smelted. The non-metallic minerals do not possess any kind of metal. Here's an example of a non-metallic mineral. Here's graphite, pencil lead, which isn't lead. Here's sulfur, non-metallic mineral. When we take minerals from underneath the earth, it's called mining. Usually you have to open a hole on the surface of Earth to extract the minerals. There are two types. There's the open cast and the deep shaft. I've got a few photographs of some open pit mines. This one's in South Africa. This is a mine that's filled with water after it's no longer being used. Another example of a mine. If you've ever been to Bisbee, you've maybe seen copper mining. Looks very much like this. And yet another one from an airplane. So some types of mines, you may have an open pit mine if the ore is very near the surface. If it's an outcrop, and you see this angle that this outcrop or this particular mineral deposit is, they can build a slope mine with an incline shaft. If it's deep mining, then they have to dig a vertical shaft, take the workers down in elevators, and then they drill sideways. So if they're at the surface, it's called open cast mining. Gold, diamond, iron are extracted this way. Shaft mining is for taking minerals out at great depths. Now our fossil fuels, which aren't exactly minerals because they're organic, are extracted usually from deep shaft mines. You can also call an open cast mine a quarry. They're particularly called quarries if you're taking stone out of the ground, marble, granite, limestone, etc.